Hello, my darling grade sixes. Oh my gosh, it's been a while. I really miss you guys. I hope you guys are staying safe during lockdown. I know this video took a while to get out. I'm so sorry, but here you go. This video is just for you. We are going to learn about trade in this next unit, trade in South Africa and the world. We are doing module 2 now, so without wasting time, please get your textbooks and turn to page 36. Okay, so before we start, we just need to know a few things, okay? For example, what is trade? Now, trade, like it says on the slide, is to exchange or give something for something else. Think of playing a game of cards or something, and you've got one card and your friend's got another card, but in order to make a set, you have to swap it. Well, you'd like to swap it. That's a bit of a trade. Or if you've got one color pencil and your friend has another color pencil and you want to swap it, that's like trade. However, in today's modern world, we do buying and selling of goods and services for money. So that is our way of trading. Everyone is involved with trading in some way or another. Okay, so it's to give something or exchange something in return for something else. So if we look at the pictures on page 36, we can see the picture of Lindiwe, who is a lawyer, and she gets money in return for her work. Her work meaning her labor. So any client that she takes on, as she's a lawyer, gives her money, and in return she offers her services. And then what happens, if you look at the picture below, Lindiwe goes and buys groceries. So she takes the money and she gives it in return for the groceries that she's bought. So everyone in some way or the other is involved in trading. What do we need to trade in today's modern world? Well, like we learned in the previous slide, it's got to do with money. However, money is made from paper or metal. Think about our coins and think about our notes. Now, that doesn't mean that if you have 100 Rand note, it was made from paper that was worth 100 Rand. It was just made from paper. However, the value of that 100 Rand note is worth 100 Rand, but not the paper that it's made from, if I make any sense. It's the same with the coins and the metal that is used. Okay, then we are learning about exports and imports. So if you turn to page 38, you will get an in-depth definition of exports and imports. But just to go over it quickly, now, we need to know that trade happens between countries. Okay, so South Africa will trade a few of their goods with another country in return for their money. Now, when this happens between countries, it's called global trade because it's happening around the world. Okay, and then governments try to sell or export more of its goods than it buys, and this helps a government make a lot more money. Okay, so if we have to, for example, sell goods to United States of America and receive their dollars, if you look at the exchange rate, for us to have one US dollar, it's between 15 and 20 Rand at the moment. Between that, I'm not accurate. I don't know the accurate amount, which is why I'm saying it's between 15 and 20 Rand at the moment. So for us to sell, we get their money in return, and we make more money by selling more of our goods and actually taking in. Because if we had to buy goods from United States of America, we wouldn't make as much money as we would by selling it to them. I hope I make sense with this. However, we need to know that when a country sells things they produce, the things that they produce are called exports. So we export our goods to other countries, and when we take things in from other countries, so if we buy things from another country and we bring it in, that is called imports. So I'm sure you have heard something is imported. I've got an imported car. I've got an imported coffee table, something like that. So that's how we know exports and imports. This is a very big way of a country to make money. Okay, there we go. It was just a short and sweet unit. I tried to go in depth as much as I could. However, you can carry on reading your pages between page 36 and 39. Now I've got a bit of a question for you to answer. You are going to name two things that South Africa imports and exports. Okay, please, I want you to leave your answers in the comment section below, and we will get to them in the next video. Okay, so complete your activities on page 37 and page 39 as said in your workbook. And for all our new viewers, thank you for watching. If you are wondering, we are using the Study and Master Social Sciences Learners Book Grade 6. Okay, so grade 6's, good luck with those activities. Remember to answer the question in the comment section below, and I will see you soon for your next video. Bye guys.